A massive legal battle is brewing between Elon Musk and Twitter. The Tesla CEO says that he'll pull out of his $44 billion deal to buy the company. His announcement sparked chaos and uncertainty, with Twitter's stock dropping significantly in response to the news. So here now to talk a little bit more about it is CBS News reporter Dan Patterson. Dan, I'm glad you're here. I mean, I got to tell you, a lot of people started to wonder if Elon Musk was looking for a way to back out of this deal, but he is focusing on what the phrase is material adverse effects, which I actually had to Google to sort of figure out exactly what that is, right? But it's things that may indicate that the company is not as profitable as it may have seemed on the surface. What does it include, and is it a strong case?
Hey, Marie, it's great to see you. So even though a few weeks ago, Twitter provided Elon Musk what they call the full fire hose of data, that is kind of like it sounds, it's a lot of data about the site, the service, and the users, Musk is accusing Twitter of what's called materially inaccurate representations. And like you, Anne-Marie, I had to Google this after Musk filed it. But what he's claiming is that Twitter has misrepresented the user base and the number of so-called bots and fake accounts, he says, are wildly higher, that's a quote, than the less than 5% figure that Twitter claims in regulatory filings.
So Twitter is, of course, disputing this, claiming that, this is a breach of the original agreement by Musk. They're threatening to take him to court. Do they have a case?
Well, look, I'm not a lawyer, but on its surface, it kind of looks like they might. But the real answer, according to analysts and actual lawyers, is, well, maybe. So analysts I spoke with over the weekend said that although there could be a legal case, Twitter, no matter what, is going to have to fight an uphill battle. And this is not just a legal battle. They'll have to be fairly transparent, at least more transparent than they're accustomed to being, about their site, the service, and the users with the Delaware courts. And interestingly, really interestingly, they are fighting a PR battle against a very high-profile billionaire who happens to be a high-profile user of their own site.
That is so interesting. This might be sort of the ultimate chess move, right? Because if they go to court, like you point out, Twitter's going to be forced to reveal information about their inner workings that maybe they don't want to. And obviously, we just talked about the stock price tumbling as a result. So that makes Twitter perhaps a lot cheaper to purchase. But in the original contract, there was a clause that Musk would have to pay $1 billion to Twitter if he opts out of this or terminates the contract. So is he expected to pay that amount now?
Well, that's really interesting as well, Anne-Marie. It would appear to be the simplest, least conflict-laden path. Now, Elon Musk is not really known for taking conflict, for taking the path of least conflict. He is certainly not risk-averse. So the best answer I can give you is what analysts have told me, and that is, who knows? It's likely he probably won't, but he could. No one except Elon Musk knows. And in fact, everyone that I've spoken with says that he appears to be kind of impulsive. So maybe Elon Musk doesn't even know.
You know what? That's probably so true. Here we are trying to sort of figure out his master chess move, and maybe there isn't. Maybe it's just his mood as opposed to his moves. Dan, thank you very much.